Alright, y'all, I have had my dinner, I've had my dessert. Now it's time to get on with this sewing project. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
Yeah. Okay, let me explain to you what I'm going to do. I went to my very first IDPA match, and I did not know that you were supposed to have a vest covering your gun. So Gander Mountain had their closing things. I did I think it was a Steals and Deals. I was doing Steals and Deals at the time. Now those videos are called Cheap Deals, but the Steals and Deals video got this vest for, how much was it? Let me see here. $10. $10. So at the IDPA match, there was a guy there that was wearing a vest very similar to this. And I got this one because it's got all the holes, that way and it's breathable, that way it's not overly hot. But what his wife did was she took some material and sewed it over the top of the zipper, because his zipper on the vest was snagging on his gun. It was scratching up the gun. It was rubbing against his arm. So his wife took some material and just sewed it over the zipper. So that's what I'm going to do with this here. This is some material that I got from Walmart. They sell these little square pieces. They're about, I don't know, I think they're about 18 inches by 18 inches. They sell those for like 98 cents. So it was perfect. It fits in almost perfectly with the color of the camouflage in the vest itself. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks afterwards. I want y'all to know that I am not good at sewing, even in the slightest little bit. But I do the best that I can. My lines aren't perfect. They're crooked and out of whack. I'm going to do the best that I can. Alright, y'all, got it on there. Now all I need to do is trim it up. It's not the perfect sewing. Not perfect, not pretty, but it's okay. It's something I did. So I'm going to trim off, because I got excess on this side. So I need to trim that off, and then on this end here, this is the bottom of the vest, I think I'll take that stitch and maybe go around just like that, at a little curve, and then trim off the excess. I have to be careful because I don't want to cut my vest. There we go. Just had to find a good starting point. Got this trimmed down. It actually looks pretty good. Looks good. I'm happy with the way it looks. Now I'm going to try it on. So with the IDPA matches, you're supposed to draw your gun from cover. So put this on. There we go. Looks okay. And reach here, and then I can pull my gun out without the zipper getting snagged up on stuff. So this is going to be awesome. Of course, I lost the ability to zip this up, but I don't want to zip it up anyway. I'm just wearing it as an open vest. Boom. Boom. Alright, cool.